So what you're going to learn here today is how do you fit a battery tender on a 2015 to 2011 Kawasaki ZX-10R Superbike, but in a very tidy and a very stealthy way that you wouldn't even know it's there, but you can get to it fairly easily. So big thumbs up. Let me show you how I did it. First job to do is you need to take the rear seat count off this Superbike. You are going to need a H4 bit. You can use a ratchet if you want to, or use a tool like this. These bolts are only kind of hand tight. These bolts do come with washers. Do not lose the washers, because the washers are there to protect the paint surface and plastic from being damaged. You've got to remove all four. So now, with the bolts removed, you can pull this piece that way, and then you've got to take off this piece. Make sure you have a towel somewhere really soft for this panel, Superbike panel, to go to protect the paintwork and not allow any damage to come to it. Here we go. Then you're going to need a 10mm socket. You've got to remove these two bolts. And you've got to remove the seat. And the seat will just lift off. Pull the seat back and lift.
Fucking A.
Then you're going to refit the seat, which is 2 bolts, 10mm socket. Myself, I would always start off by hand, just so the bolt begins to thread in first, before you start using a hand tool. Do the same with this one. Then they thread in nicely.
Do not need to be super tight. And twist. Now
The rear cowl is just designed to slot in. Then you'll have 4 bolts. They all come with washers. The washers are there to protect the paintwork. Always remember the washers.
Torques, H4. Don't have to use a ratchet, use a tool like this. Because the bolts only need to be kind of hand tight, because it's a cowling piece. It's not anything more than that. Just going to keep going. Once it starts getting tight, stop.
Do the same for the other 3. Takes a bit of wiggling, but once you get the connector for the battery tender through the hole, it just works. And what's great is that the battery tender is not on the outside of the Superbike, which is perfect. Remember, this is a Superbike, this is a race bike. It's not designed, it was never designed by Kawasaki in any way to have a battery tender sticking out of the frame or somewhere sticking outside the Superbike. If you're going to fit a battery tender, you're going to fit it inside the Superbike, where you know you can get to it, but it's hidden away. So it looks really smart and doesn't interfere with the aerodynamics of those Superbike fairings. Hope this helps you. I'm going to have a cup of coffee. I don't know what happened to it.